I should make it rotate as well. Like sideways as it's moving to the side. (0, angle plus 45. So 315. Okay, so this angle is the angle I want to change. Change the Y. If I'm moving right, it goes to -20, left 20. Okay, that's not a good variable name. So this increases the angle. This decreases the angle. If I'm rotating left and okay. So my maximum angle is 20. This needs to change very fast, so this speed probably needs to increase a lot. So if this angle is greater than that, oops. Oh no, I need to do these separate. So if I'm not touching anything, I want the angle to go back to 0. But I don't want it to be too fast. So if it's greater than 0, I want to do that. Yeah, I have many unfinished projects. Just end up getting bored of them. Okay, let's see how this looks. This is taking a very long time to build. Oh, there it is. What is happening? I can't even... That's not... that's not the right angle. That is not the right angle. Oh, the angle will need to change. So it can be X and Y. And it's probably dependent on that angle. Multiplying by that angle? Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna make the angle more obvious. Having a hard time figuring out what's happening. Max angle, just gonna do 45, go a bit crazy. And the change speed a lot bigger as well. So that's rotating the other way around. Okay, other than that, it seems to rotate correctly. So this should just be a matter of swapping these out. Okay, and it's still very slow. So that speed needs to be a lot bigger. Maybe 100? Let's try 100 and put this back to 35. Hopefully this will look better now. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, the rotation is happening. I need to make it not a cube and a lot flatter. I think that's gonna help a lot. This is the highlight cube. Okay. I might have to extend the collision on this. Okay. I think this will look better when I make that a triangle as well. Okay. Maybe I want the maximum angle to be bigger. Let's try 60, something crazy. Okay, that's too much. Maybe, but I like the concept of just having that rotation. I think it really helps make it feel like it's moving side to side. Yeah, much better. I probably want to make it turn back even faster. So I'm gonna have two speeds. So this is gonna be the player changing the speed, but then so that's gonna be higher. 175 maybe. We'll see. So that's the speed that this is gonna use. But also if this is still greater than 0, so that means it's rotating to the other side. I'm gonna make it rotate faster. And same for this side. So if this is below 0, I'm gonna do that. Okay, this file is getting very messy.